Hi everyone, Beck Smith here, the DIY Marketing Trailblazer, and today is the 13th episode of my 40-day video series where I'm giving tips and tricks to business owners to help them improve their digital marketing skills. Today I'm going to specifically talk about websites and web page or web post development and some very simple tips around how to name a page and also what title to allocate to that particular page. So for example, when you see in the search results, you'll see the blue heading at the top of the search results. That's the title for the page or post. I'm going to give you a couple of tips around that, as well as the URL or slug, as it's sometimes called, which is the name that appears in that search browser box up the top for your particular page. So an interesting statistic is that you'll get a 14% higher click-through rate in search results if you've got a page that has a question in the title tag. So that heading, the blue heading that I talked about, if you've got a question, a how, what, why, or who within that title tag, you get a much higher click-through rate. So for example, your page could be around how to improve search rankings. And you'll actually include that question as your title tag, how to increase page rankings with 3 easy steps, for example. So that's one quick way. Also, if you've got between 15 to 40 characters for that actual title tag, so it's been found that you'll get about an 8 to 9% higher click-through rate if your title tag is between 15 and 40 characters in length. So try not to make it too short or too long. The URL or the slug that I talked about that appears in the browser bar, so the name of that page, so it'll be yourdomain.com / whatever that slug is. If you include the keyword that you want that page or post to rank for within that slug or that URL, you're 45% more likely to get a higher click-through rate for that particular page or post. So it's really important. You shouldn't be trying to have the same keyword across lots of different pages. You really want to optimize individual pages for quite specific keywords. But if you make sure that you include them in the URL for that page or post, you're bound to get much higher search ranking results for that page. All right, well, that was a very quick one today, but I hope you found that useful, and I'll be back again tomorrow with some more tips for you in do-it-yourself marketing, in particularly in the digital marketing space. Take care, have a great evening, bye.